How to see locked profile on Facebook. What is up everybody? In this video I'll show you guys how you can easily view any kind of locked profile on Facebook. But before we get started, I just want you to make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to our channel. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you do is open up your Facebook application and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Now the next step is to find a locked profile. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to my friend list by tapping on the menu icon and going to my profile banner. Then I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down until I find my friends. So let me just go ahead and tap on this profile. So let's suppose if this person has their profile locked, you won't be able to scroll down and view any of their pictures, photos, or posts. So in that case, what you need to do is tap on the three lines that you see at the right side of the message button, and then it will open up their profile. Now all you have to do is copy their profile link. Go ahead and copy this. And once you have done that, all you need to do now is simply go ahead and go back to your home screen. So what happens is if you want to view contents of this locked profile, unless you're friends with them, you won't be able to do so. So the best approach you can try is to send them a friend request. But if in case they do not accept it, then what you can do is contact Facebook's help and support team. How you can do that is by going back on your menu icon, scroll down until you find help and support. Just tap on this drop down menu, and all you have to do here is simply head over to the help center. If you find a related article here, you could read through it and follow the instruction, but what I'm going to do is go to report a problem and then now continue to report. Now Facebook will create a support ticket on your behalf, and you can briefly explain what is going on and what issue are you facing. Now if you want to include your diagnostic report, you could do that. So I suggest you tap on include and select a related topic. So this one right here will be related to profile, so go ahead and tap on profile. Now all you have to do here is briefly explain your issue. So here I've already made a short request, so I'm just going to paste it right here. What it basically says is, if I just go up and scroll up on my screen, so it basically says a support request. So what you can do is type in something like, I hope you're doing well. I'm reaching out to seek your assistance regarding a friend's Facebook profile which has recently been locked. I'd like you to view their account and would appreciate any support or guidance that you provide on this matter. You could write any message, something along those lines, and then finally what you can do is go down and paste the profile link that you previously copied. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and copy this profile link and then paste it right here. So I'm just going to type in something like profile link and then type in the link that you just copied. So I'm just going to paste it right here. Now once that is done, just go ahead and send this, and now the support request will be sent to Facebook's help and support team. They will contact you back on your email or your notifications. Just keep an eye out for them. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. If so, be sure to hit the like button down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. Turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.